Hello, first graders. Welcome to our new social study lesson. Please get our Community and Beyond book and let's start. Today we're going to start a new topic, topic 2, where we live. Please get your page 52. So in this geography unit, you will learn that location affects how people live. You will use the map, and we're going to learn about different maps as well. In order to answer the question, as you see in these pages, of course, we have to finish the units and get all the information and come back to this lesson or this page. So the big ideas, location affects how people live. Have you ever used a map to find a new place? Have you ever looked at a globe to see where you live in our big world? In this unit, you will learn about maps and globes. As you read, think about how maps and globes help you learn about where you live. I'm sure we all learn how to use map even when you go like a shopping mall. Sometimes you see a map that it's framed for you to show you where you want to go, or a certain shop if you're looking for a certain place, or a restaurant to eat. Or if you go to any amusement park like Disneyland or Legoland, as you see, they give you also a map to show you and make easy for you to move around, to find your place, to find your special rides that you're looking for. But also there's maps that show you in the whole globe where places are, or if you want to travel, or even if you are in a country, where places you can go. So this is different maps with different meaning and different use as well. As you go, after you read each lesson in this unit, use the map and the activities on these pages to practice what you are learning. So, as we know, this is first lesson. So this is, when you finish first lesson, you can come back and answer this question. But I will read them for you. After you read lesson 1, give your map a title. Label the compass rose with the 4 cardinal direction. Lesson 2, after you read lesson 2, circle the bodies of water that surrounds Florida. Look at the symbol for the Florida Keys. Draw this symbol on the map key. And then third question, draw a star next to Tallahassee. Draw the symbol for Tallahassee in the map key. Third lesson, after you read lesson 3, draw a picture of a home to show where you live. So over here, this is when you learn the title map. And then this is your campus, and this is the map key. All right, let's go to page 54. Reading skills. Use visual and text. A visual can be a drawing, a picture, or a map. Visuals often give clues about the text. Text is something that is written. As you read, look at the visuals to help you understand the key ideas or important information in the text. So this is something you learn about visuals. So when we say visual, means that you look at the pictures or you look at the drawing, help you to understand the text. Also, or maps, like in our lesson here. Also, before reading, if you even cannot read all the text, but when you look at the picture, it will give you an idea about what you're going to read about, and then the text will be giving more details. And both help you to understand the story or the book or the lesson you will read or you will learn about. So this is both text and picture or maps or drawing help you to understand, along with the text, help you understand what the book or the story or whatever you read about. So over here, visuals help you understand what you will read. All right, learn it. To help you use visuals and text, before you read the text, look at the visuals. What do they show? So over here, we're looking at the picture. As I can see, you know, birds, I see water, I see trees. After you read, think about how the visuals and text help you understand the key ideas. All right, take out your bug spray and get ready for the swamps of southern United States. These swamps are near the Gulf Coast in Louisiana. Swamps are one kind of wetland. That means they are wet most or all of the year. Swamp is lowland that is covered with water and plants. So now when I'm looking at here, I look at the picture, I get ideas that I'm gonna learn something about trees or water. But when I read the story or read the text or the articles related to that, now it gives me ideas that I can visualize when they say swamps. So now this is swamps. I know where it's located, the southern United States. I know what swamps is. Okay, swamps are like wetland most of the year, and that it's a lowland and it's covered with water and plants. So now I know what I'm talking about because I looked at the picture and I read the text or the articles that it's related to that. All right, I would like to play this words, the flashcards that giving you the words that you will see it and learn about it in the whole unit. So these words cover the whole unit, the 3 lessons for unit 2. So let's play.
Affect means to make something happen.
Okay, affect means to make something happen. Next. Cardinal direction.
Cardinal directions are the directions of north, south, east, and west.
So these are the direction or cardinal direction that you will learn about: north, south, east, and west. Next.
A compass rose shows the 4 cardinal directions.
Right. Next.
An element is a part of something.
Next word.
A globe is a round model of Earth. A location is a place on Earth. A map is a drawing of a place. A map key is a list of shapes and symbols used on a map. A map key is also called a map legend. A model is a small copy of something. A peninsula is land with water on all sides except one. Physical environment is the land and bodies of water around us. Physical maps show land and bodies of water. Political maps show borders or lines between areas. A season is one of the 4 parts of the year. A symbol is something that stands for something else. Transportation is the way people move from place to place. Weather is how hot, cold, wet, or dry it is outside.
All right. So these are the words that we're going to cover for this unit, and we learn about their definition. Okay, let's go for page 55. Try it. What did you learn from the visual and text on page 54? Write down the key ideas below. So visual means from the picture. So what did we learn from the picture? You saw, we put for you the word trees. So over here, you see grass, very good. We have the word grass, and then, of course, water. Let me put it on the side, and then water. So we have trees, grass, and water. All right. Okay, so that was in the first orange box. Key ideas in the visual means the picture you have up there. All right, Key ideas in the text, that's mean the writing over here, the information that you have written for you. All right, key ideas. These swamps are located in, so you go back and you know that it's located in Louisiana. I'm not going to write this down because the words are written for you here. Or what you need, just copy this word, Louisiana. Okay. A wetland is land that very good is wet most of all the year. So let's look for a wetland here. Wet most from here, most or all of the year. So this is the part you're gonna write it for number 2 over here. Wetland is, and you have 2 lines to write this. How about the swamp? What do we say a swamp is? Right away, it says here, a swamp is a low land that is covered with water and plants. This is your response or your answer for the 3rd part in your blue box. Key ideas in text, you're gonna write here, a swamp is, and then you're gonna say right away, a lowland that is covered with water and plants. Okay, let's go for the 3rd activity on the right here. Read the text below and look at the picture, underline key ideas. So now you linking your picture with the text or what's written for you here. So you need, this is the picture, the alligator one. So this is what you're gonna look at and you're gonna see what's related. We're gonna underline. All right, swamps are home to many kinds of animals. You would see everything from snakes and lizards to birds and fish. Of course, you can't forget about the alligators. So look at the picture, underline the key ideas. So the key ideas would be first, swamps are home for many kinds of animals. So we'll be underlining this part. Swamps are home to many kinds of animals because they show me part of it. And then you would see everything from snakes and lizards to birds and fish. So we're gonna underline here because this is the details that I can see or I will learn from my picture. So snakes and lizards to birds and fish, or little fish here. So this is the part you're gonna underline. And then also, of course, you can't forget about the, you got it, the alligators. And I see clearly the picture for the alligator. So I'm gonna underline here because you're using information from this picture that you see the alligator and from this picture up there. So you can see birds and trees and all that. So using these 2 pictures, try to underline the ideas that it's clearly help you to understand the text and relate the text to the picture. All right, so we'll stop on page 55. And we talked today about a new unit and we learned the new words for this unit. All right, that's it for today, first graders. Thank you. Bye-bye.